Alright, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm BrainFeed. Today we're diving into something really important, managing your money. Whether you're trying to save for a house, retire early, or just get a grip on your finances, there's an app for that. I've rounded up the top 5 financial apps to help you make smarter money moves. And the best part, most of them are free. Let's dive in. Securely store all your passwords. Password Manager. If you want to tackle debt, earn high interest, or transfer money easily, then balance transfer cards are a great solution. These cards allow you to transfer balances from other credit cards onto them with special low or 0% interest rates. But choosing the right card can be tough with so many options out there. That's why I recommend using a personal finance website. On this site, you can quickly find the best balance transfer cards tailored to your needs. Just answer a few simple questions about your spending habits and debt situation, and voila! You'll get personalized recommendations from leading issuers like Chase, Citi, and American Express. Now here's the cool part. This service is completely free. You can browse different cards and compare offers without any obligation. And when you're ready to apply, you can do it directly on their site. So if you're looking to consolidate debt, earn rewards, or lower interest payments, head over to the website. Start managing your finances smarter today. Alright, let's get started. Number 1. Mint, the one-stop shop for managing finances. Mint is one of the most popular personal finance apps because it puts everything in one place. It's like having a financial hub where you can check account balances, pay bills, and track spending all in one spot. But it does so much more. When you link your bank and credit cards to Mint, it automatically categorizes your expenses and allows you to create custom categories too. This makes it easy to see where your money is going and identify areas where you might be able to cut back. And with Bill Pay, you can schedule and track bill payments to ensure that nothing slips through the cracks. Mint also offers insights and recommendations to help you make better financial decisions and has a credit monitoring feature to help you track your credit score. The best part, it's completely free. So if you're looking for a simple, cost-effective way to manage your finances, give Mint a try. Number 2. Rocket Money. Stop wasting money. Rocket Money helps you avoid late fees, negotiate lower bills, and even cancel unwanted subscriptions. This app monitors your accounts for recurring charges, giving you a heads up about upcoming payments so you're never caught off guard. It also negotiates lower rates on your behalf, whether it's internet, cable, or phone bills. Plus, it scans for free trials that you might have signed up for so you can cancel them before they turn into paid subscriptions. Rocket Money also provides price tracking. It lets you know if the price of something you bought recently has dropped so you can request a refund for the difference. And if you need to move money between accounts, Rocket Money has that covered too. You can transfer funds instantly within the app. With all these features, Rocket Money is like having a personal financial assistant. It is free to download and you only pay a fee when you request a refund or want expert help with a financial task. Number 3. Credit Karma. Monitor credit and get pre-approved for cards and loans. Credit Karma is a must-have for anyone looking to monitor their credit score and get pre-approved for financial products. It provides free credit scores and reports from TransUnion and Equifax and offers personalized recommendations based on your financial profile. With Credit Karma, you can track your progress towards better credit, get alerts for any changes to your credit report, and get customized tips for improving your score. It also gives you access to a variety of financial products such as credit cards, loans, mortgages, and insurance, all tailored to your needs. So whether you're looking to boost your credit score or need financing for a big purchase, Credit Karma is an excellent resource to have on hand. Number 4. Sophie. Manage money. Earn rewards and invest in one place. Sophie is a comprehensive financial platform that offers a range of features from student loan refinancing to investing. Its key selling point is its ability to help users save money through auto-pay discounts, balance transfers, and 0% interest rate promotions. The Sophie app also includes a great rewards program, which allows you to earn points on eligible purchases and redeem them for cash back, gift cards, or travel. In addition, Sophie provides free financial tools such as a budget calculator, net worth tracker, and retirement calculator. If you're interested in investing, Sophie also offers a dedicated platform with access to a wide range of investment products. Overall, Sophie is a solid choice for those looking for a user-friendly platform with a variety of financial tools and products in one place. Number 5. Robinhood. Commission-free stock and crypto trading. Robinhood is a popular investment platform known for its commission-free stock and crypto trading. It offers a user-friendly interface that makes it easy for beginners to buy and sell investments. One of the standout features of Robinhood is its fractional share investing, which allows you to invest in stocks that might be too expensive otherwise. Robinhood also offers a range of investment options, including stocks, ETFs, options, and cryptocurrencies. Additionally, the platform provides real-time quotes and a newsfeed with the latest market updates. While Robinhood was initially designed for beginner investors, it has evolved to cater to more experienced traders with advanced features such as margin trading and short selling. However, it's worth noting that Robinhood has faced some criticism for its customer support and past controversies. Nevertheless, Robinhood remains a popular choice for both casual investors and active traders. So there you have it, the top 5 financial apps to help you manage your money better. These apps offer a range of features from budgeting and expense tracking to credit monitoring and investing, all designed to help you take control of your finances. Remember, the best app for you will depend on your individual needs and financial goals. So be sure to try out a few of them to see which one fits your style best. Speaking of styles, check out my video on 5 ways to boost your income this year. It's got some awesome ideas to help you earn some extra cash. Thanks for watching and happy money managing. And don't forget to subscribe, like and share to your friends. Bye-bye.